Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily open a chat in Instagram while not deleting messages. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes, also write your comments. And we're going to get started. So, we're going to open the Instagram app with you. After that, the most important thing is to go from a personal account to a professional account. To do that, you'll need to go to your page. I already have a professional account. If you don't have a professional account, but a regular, personal one, then you'll need to click on Edit Profile. And here under your description, under Bio, you'll have to switch to Professional account. You click on that button, then you choose what kind of professional account you're going to have, what you're going to carry in that account, what kind of account you're going to have, and then your account immediately becomes a professional account. It will take you no more than a minute. And right after that, once you've switched your account to professional, you go into correspondence. And if you want to hide any chat, but you don't want to delete the correspondence, then it's very easy to do. You select a conversation and swipe it to the left side. To move it from main to general. As you can see, at the top of the correspondence you have correspondence types. These are basic, general, and correspondence requests. So, if you have this person in the general, in the main to be exact, then you click on General. And as you can see, this chat has been moved immediately. So if you and I click on Shared, we'll see this chat. And the same thing, if you want, for example, from General to Main, you swipe to the left side and select the word Main. That's how it works. I hope this video helped you and was useful for you and you realized how you can hide chats in Instagram without deleting messages. Subscribe to our channel, be sure to write your comments and put your likes, and see you soon, friends.